Hey guys, Burgess17 here, and today subscribe to Kevin Hazelton, and we are on the Edge Man's YouTube channel. And today I have a combination of breakfast, so eggs, pancakes,
And
banana, or waffles. So that is four. No, wait, four. Hold on, four. And then I had a choice for a snack. Banana, apple, or orange. That is three. Then I had a choice for after school snack, and these were my choices. My choices were to have a granola bar, apple, or almonds. So that is 4 times 3 is 12. Times 3 equals 36. So 36 combinations you got. So yeah, see you in the next video.